Hello friends, welcoming you all to AK Gardening Passion channel. So friends, looking at the thumbnail and title, you know that today's video is on Aparajita plant. But before starting the actual video, if you have not subscribed AK Gardening Passion channel yet, then subscribe AK Gardening Passion channel and turn the settings to all so that you will get the latest notifications from the channel, and don't forget to like and share the videos. The plant is also known by butterfly pea, Gokarna, Shankapushpi. So let's start the video. Friends, Aparajita plant is a vine or a climber type of plant which is a flowering vine. Aparajita plant is easy to grow flowering vine and is grown due to its beautiful flowers. So friends, just see at these flowers how beautiful it looks, and it is also known as a lucky plant. Friends, flowers are used to offer God, and specific varieties of dried Aparajita flowers are used as edible for making tea, and the plant has many benefits like medicinal and health benefits. Aparajita flowers are in many colors like white, pink, red, blue and purple. And also the pattern of flowers available are in single petal and multiple layered petals. In India, it can be easily grown due to warmer climates. As Aparajita plant or vine loves rainy and warmer climate and grows best in these days. It goes in dormancy or resting period in winter months. There may be leaf fall or decrease in size of flower and production of flowers in winter days, but it's natural process as Aparajita plant goes in resting period. But when there is end of spring season and arrival of summer months or season, it's the time when the plant starts its growth as it's permanent plant and grows tremendously in these days. Aparajita plant grows tremendously in March or April months, and the flowering starts from these months till the end of rainy season or the arrival of winter season. There is tremendous flowering in summers and rainy season. Aparajita vine can be grown in land and in containers as well. It is the best flowering vine for beginner gardeners, and it's easy to grow plant and does not require much care and attention. It can be trailed on railings and trailers. You can create the trailers by bamboo stick and support the vine. It can be used as a screen to create privacy. The vine is delicate and the flowers are also delicate. So let's see the information related to growing Aparajita plant. Talking about the soil required for Aparajita plant. As far there is no specific soil required for this plant when grown in land, but regular garden soil is best for its growth. But when you are planning to grow Aparajita plant in container or a pot, then there is need to prepare the potting mix for easy drainage of water. For it, you can take 1 part of garden soil, 1 part of vermicompost or old cow dung manure, and 1 part of sand and 1 part of coco peat. But coco peat is optional. So mix up all the contents and fill up the containers. But the containers used must have good water drainage system and should be at least of 12 inch of size. But for more growth of vine, take the container above 14 inch. Propagation of Aparajita plant is very easy. You can grow it easily by seeds as the plant produces seed pods. As the flower matures and dries, at that site there is formation of seed pods. Like sweet peas, there is formation of seed pods, and is when these seed pods turn old or yellow, you can collect the seed from the seed pods. You can also buy the plant from nurseries. The best time to sow the seeds is in spring season. You can collect the seeds and store it. So friends, just see, this is the seed pod. So let's open this seed pod and just see how are the seeds. So friends, these are all the seeds which are present in this seed pod. Friends, talking about the light requirements of Aparajita plant, it can grow in shade areas, but there will be only foliage and no or very less flower production. So to get the best growth and tremendous flowering, the plant should get 3 to 5 hours of direct sunlight. So let's know about the fertilizer requirement of this plant. Fertilizer requirement of Aparajita plant is not much when you are growing it in containers, but there may be need during flowering time. And friends, when you are using the potting mix which is advised, then there is no need to add fertilizers, as you have already added fertilizers during preparation of potting mix. You can add the fertilizers to containers when there is arrival of its flowering season, that is in month of February. You can add vermicompost or cow dung manure, seaweed fertilizer, remaining tea leaves extract, banana peel fertilizer, liquid fertilizers at right time, and the right time to add these fertilizers is February, that is before flowering season of this plant. So talking about the water requirement of this plant or Aparajita plant, same like other vines, Aparajita plant loves moist soil and hates overwatering. So water the plant when the upper layer of soil becomes dry. So friends, just see, this is lemon cypress, also called as golden cypress plant. And friends, I have already uploaded the related video of golden cypress plant on the channel. So I will give the link of this video in I button and in description box. So if you are interested, you can refer it. Talking about the infestations in the plant, as such there is no much attack of infestations or pests in the plant, but occasionally you can spray neem oil or pesticides on the vine. Friends, if repotting is required, then you can do it in spring season if plant is in container. Pruning is not required and it is required when the plant has more growth and if you want to make it short. So it can be done in winter months. Many of the bees and butterflies are attracted towards these flowers. So if it is grown side by the fruit or vegetable gardens, then it will be easy for pollination of these flowers, which will ultimately increase the yield. So friends, did you like this plant? So let me know in comment box. If liked the Aparajita plant, then add it in your gardens, balcony gardens, terrace gardens and at your compound walls. And trail the plant as you want. You can trail the plant on railings and trailers. If you are growing it in containers, then ready-made trailers are available online or you can create it by your own. You can support the plant by bamboo sticks or iron rods. The vine will add beauty due to its lush green foliage and pretty flowers. So that was all about Aparajita plant. So let me know how was the video. You can comment in comment box and let me know. If liked the plant and video, then hit the like button and subscribe the channel for new videos and support the channel. So I will meet you with another video on my monsoon nursery visit in next video. Thanks for watching the video. Keep watching for such videos.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.